Hello, and welcome to Daily English Moments. Here, we learn English step by step in a fun and easy way.
Today, I'm excited to share a personal travel memory that means a lot to me, my unforgettable trip to Dalat back in 2019. In this video, you'll hear a natural English story filled with useful vocabulary, travel expressions, and daily life phrases that you can learn and use right away. So relax, listen closely, and try to picture the beautiful scenes of Dalat as I tell you this story.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend. Let's learn English together.
All right, let's begin. The trip I remember the most is my visit to Dalat back in 2019. Dalat is such a beautiful city. Cool weather, pine forests everywhere, and a peaceful atmosphere that makes you feel relaxed the moment you arrive. I went there with my cousin. She flew from Hanoi and I took a sleeping bus from Saigon. We met in Dalat and spent 3 wonderful days together. We rented a cozy homestay in a quiet little alley, about 5 kilometers from the city center. We also rented a motorbike, which made it easy to ride around and explore. Our mornings were peaceful and full of Dalat vibes. We enjoyed coffee at small local cafes, each with its own charm. After that, we visited some of Dalat's most famous attractions, Lang Biang Mountain, Datan La Waterfall, and Tuyen Lem Lake. The scenery was amazing everywhere we went. In the afternoons, we rode around Swanhung Lake, tried Dalat's famous dishes, and relaxed in flower gardens with a cup of coffee. I took a lot of photos because every corner of the city looked like a postcard. At night, we explored the Dalat night market. We ate bang chang noon, Vietnamese pizza, drank warm soy milk, and bought fresh strawberries to enjoy back at the homestay. The night market was always crowded with tourists, full of street food, souvenirs, and winter clothing shops. The weather was very cold, but I absolutely loved it. What made the trip even more special was the time I spent with my cousin. We talked about everything, laughed a lot, and explored new things together. Dalat keeps changing over the years, but to me, it will always be one of my favorite places to visit. I hope you enjoyed this story and picked up some new phrases and expressions along the way.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on Daily English Moments.